Hello everyone, welcome to provide a solution given this interesting algebra problem, which is 1 over a plus 1 over b. This is equal to 1 over 17. So what is a plus b? Now, solution here. And given that a is actually greater than 0 and b is also greater than 0, and again a and b, these are actually members of real numbers. Okay, and again a is greater or equal to b. Okay, so these are a set of conditions that we have. Now let's proceed from here. So we have 1 over a plus 1 over b. This is equal to 1 over 17. So let's proceed. Here we have 1 over a plus 1 over b. This is equal to 1 over 17. So the first phase here, let's multiply both signs by ab. Okay, so that we'll have 1 over ab into the bracket 1 over a plus 1 over b. This is equal to 1 over 17 times ab. Okay, so here we'll have ab divided by a plus ab divided by b. This is equal to ab divided by 17. So let's simplify here. A and a simplifies, so that we'll have b plus, now here b and b simplifies, so plus a. This is equal to ab divided by 17. So the next phase is to multiply 17 on both sides. Okay, 17 on both sides, so that now here we'll have 17 times b. This is 17b plus 17 times a, which is 17a. This is equal to, now if you simplify here, we'll remain with ab. Let's proceed here. So let's take 17b plus 17a on the right hand side, so that we'll have ab subtract 17b subtract 17a. Okay, so this is equal to 0. Now the next step here, let's add both sides. Let's add both signs. Plus 289 and subtract 289. This is equal to 0. So here we'll have ab subtract 17b subtract 17a plus 289. This is equal to, let's take negative 289 on the right hand side. So this is equal to 289. The next step here, ab minus 17b. b is common here, so let's factor out b. So we'll have b into the bracket here. This is a subtract 17 subtract, now 17 here is common, so we'll have 17. Okay, so that we'll have a subtract again 17, because if you say negative 17 times a, this is negative 17a. Negative 17 times negative 17, this is plus 289. So this is equal to 289. The next step here, you find that a minus 17 here is common, so we'll have a minus 17 on one side, and you'll have b minus 17. This is equal to 289. Okay, so the next step here, we have, let's get the factors of 289. Okay, we have that a minus 17, b minus 17, this is equal to 289. So let's get the factors of 289, what you can multiply to get 289. So you'll have 289 times 1. Okay, this is the first factor. And then we have 1 times 289. Let's call this the second factor. And then we have the third one, which is basically 17 times 17. So in this case, here we have 3 cases here. So let's start with case 1. Let's start with case 1. So here we have a minus 17, b minus 17. This is equal to 289 times 1. So that means that A minus 17, this is equal to 289, and B minus 17, this is equal to 1. Okay, so from the first part here, we'll have A equal to 289 plus 17. So this is 289 plus 17. So we have 9 plus 7. This is actually 16. And 1, 0, 1. So this is 306. So here we have A equal to 306. Now for B here, B is equal to 1 plus 17, which is equal to 18. So the question here is, what is A plus B? What is A plus B? So we'll have 18 plus 306. Okay? What is 18 plus 306? So this is equal to 324. Okay? This is equal to 324. And that is the first solution for case 1. Let's move to case 2. Now case 2 here, we have A minus 17, B minus 17. This is equal to, case 2 here, we have 1 times 289. So here you have 1 times 289. So we have that A minus 17, this is equal to 1. Okay, and this means that A is equal to 18. And we have that B minus 17, this is equal to 289. So that means that you take negative 17 on the right hand side. So we'll have 289 plus 17. 9 plus 7, this is 16, carry 1. This is actually 10, 0, carry 1. This is 306. So that means that A is equal to 18 and B is equal to 306. For case 3, we have A minus 17, B minus 17. This is equal to 17 times 17. So that means that A minus 17, this is equal to 17, and B minus 17, this is equal to 17. And this follows that A here is equal to 17 plus 17, which is equal to 34. And B here is equal to 17 plus 17, which is also equal to 34. So that means that A plus B in case 3, this is equal to 34 plus 34, which is equal to 68. Okay? So that means that 1 over A plus 1 over B, which is equal to 1 over 17. And given that the question is what is A plus B, we have 3 sets of solution. Okay? So we have one is 324. The second case is also 324. And the third case is 68. So these are set of solutions for this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe.